In this video I'm showing how I fixed a broken part on a Leatherman multi-tool. This is the Leatherman Rev, so it's one of the cheaper models from Home Depot. And it's been a decent enough tool, but it got snagged on something one day and the pocket clip got bent sideways and the little pin broke off, so now it just kind of spins freely. Luckily you can buy a replacement clip for these. I got this one off of Amazon for $9. The part number is 930379 and I'll leave a link in the description. And even though it's labeled that it's for the Sidekick or Wingman, I found that it works for the Rev model just fine. The kit includes a little Torx head Allen wrench that you can use to take the screw out. Since the screwdriver is a little bit easier to hold, I just use that with a T10 Torx bit. And then I just remove the screw that holds the pocket clip in place. And remove the broken pocket clip. And then I put the new clip in place. And put the little post back in that you screw into from the other side. The end of this post has a little hexagon shape that has to match up with the cutout on the pocket clip for everything to snap into place. And since it came with a new screw, I went ahead and used that one and tightened everything back down. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's a pretty quick and easy little fix. When the clip was broken, it would slide all around whenever I would try to clip it to my pocket, so it's kind of a nuisance. So it's nice to have it back the way it was when I bought it. Anyhow, that's it for this video. Hit the like button if it was helpful, and thanks for watching.